Washing machine cleaning part 2. Now we're tackling inside the washing machine drum. So like the other video, I started off by taking a bamboo skewer to scrape off as much as these big pieces in the hard to reach places. Then I just went in with a paper towel and I scraped off all the excess. After that, I sprayed it down with a bathroom disinfectant and I let it sit for a good 10 minutes. I gave all 3 pieces a good scrub. Then I just filled a cup of water and rinsed it. You can see that all of the dirty water just drains into the holes of the machine. A lot of you suggested I use washing machine cleaner tablets, so I ordered some of those from Amazon, and as soon as I receive them, I'll make a video, but it's already looking so much better.